Today we are going to unbox Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse combo, which is completely wireless Logitech MK275 keyboard and mouse. First you see the unboxing video, then we'll be discussing about the product in detail. So let's get started. In the box you will get a keyboard and a mouse with a dongle. Next, if we talk about the keyboard and mouse, the keyboard run on 2 batteries and the mouse on a single battery. The lifespan of the battery of a keyboard is 36 months and in mouse part it is 18 months. On the both of these product you will get an on and off manual buttons by which you can according to your need on or off the keyboard and mouse. And for the connectivity you will get a dongle. In the 10-meter area you can easily access the wireless keyboard and mouse, and you have to connect the dongle on the device on which you want to operate, just to plug and play. If you want to buy this combo, then you can easily buy on the e-commerce site like Amazon or Flipkart, as nowadays there is a big sale on these websites. So I hope you will buy this, and the product link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel for the more such videos. Like, share and comment. Comment for more videos on the which topic you want the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.